Good afternoon, and welcome to Trez's Tech. Today I thought I would go over some home technology, home cleaning technology. I thought I'd do an unboxing of the Craftsman V20 stick vacuum cleaner, and it is the model CMCSV001D1, and let me double check that on that part number. And yeah, it is. And anyway, I picked this up from my local big box store, and it's a replacement. My original first one, the wheel fell off, so I took it back to my store and they replaced it with a new one. So it was probably damaged in shipping or something. So I thought I'd do an unboxing, and it comes with a 2 amp hour V20 Craftsman lithium ion battery and charge, and they claim it gets about an hour runtime on it. But let's take it out of the box and I'll show you all the pieces it comes with, and then we'll put it together. Get my handy dandy knife here, and the first piece is a first piece is a 2 amp hour battery and charger. It comes with a nice charger. And I'll get rid of these pieces. And the next box comes in. It's just a packing box. Then here's the main unit, and comes in a nice plastic case. You can see that. And it has a canister that's removable. Let's see if we can get it done easy. I'll do it from the bottom. Yeah, you do it from the bottom. So the canister comes with a little removable filter, and to clean the stuff out of it, you just turn it back and forth, and it gets rid of all the fine particulate that comes in the filter. And then you push this button and you have access, and it just pops it out. So let's put this canister back on. Let me see if I can remember how to do it. You stick the top in and then pop it down in place, and it's ready to go. And it comes with a little vacuum extension here, so you can get your floors. And I guess you can use this on your upholstery. And then it comes with the big stick. So this is the piece. So this is the actual stick part. So you can use it by itself or with the extension on it. Extension just pops into place. And then, let's see, then you have your little thing that gets you a little bit closer to suck stuff down in holes and things. Then, of course, it comes with the owner's manual that I've read thoroughly, and the main section, which is the part that you use to do your floors and carpets. I'll move this box out of the way. get a shameless plug-in for Craftsman. And okay, so now I've pulled the I'll call this the head out of the box. Let me take my spectacles off here, and it just snaps on to the end of the extension, like so. I'm sure it snaps in there. There we go. We got a little snap there. I didn't want to do that here. So anyway, it snaps in. And to take it apart, you just push a little, if you can see this, little buttons on this, and push it in, and it just pops apart. One way to put it together. Now the foot swivels, and it's got little wheels on it, and the adjustments are pretty easy. It does have a memory, so it remembers the last time you had it running and what settings were. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put in a freshly charged 4 amp hour battery, and you just push the button here, and that turns it on and off. And I don't know if you can see this or you can hear it, but it's got little heads, and the second button here is your 2 speeds. So you have 3 speeds, I'm sorry, high, medium, and low. And then there's this little black button here. You press it, and it turns off the rotation on the head, so you can vacuum hard surfaces like the hardwood floors and kitchen floors, things like that. And then you just turn it off. But I'll do some, when I attack my house shortly, I will show you how it works in the house. But it's a cool little product. Very lightweight, and again, it does eliminate having to deal with a lot of extension cable cords and things like that. And I don't know, it's pretty handy. We enjoy it, and it's part of our journey into getting rid of gas and wired tools and moving over to cordless battery powered tools. And we've standardized on our Craftsman tools, and we've been very happy with it. So I'll show you how well it vacuums. So got turned on. We'll put the head down. It does a good job on the vacuum on the floor without the head, and also it runs, just gets the edge of my carpet without hurting anything. It does the hardwood floors real well. So I'm going to turn on the power head. It's got really good suction. It's very lightweight. It only weighs 7 pounds. And you can see without using any cords, it's very easy to do. It's great for us old folks. Oh, and what I did forgot to mention that it does have lights on it, so you can vacuum in the dark. And then the other control that you can't forget is here. It shows your battery levels. So you have 3 different bars. So I've already used 1 of my 3 bars. And this battery is new, fresh out of the box. It hasn't been charged. I hope you enjoyed today's video unboxing and review of the Craftsman V20 series stick vacuum cleaner. And we enjoy using these tools. We've eliminated most of our gas powered tools, almost all of our corded tools, and just trying to standardize on a cordless solution. It's a lot easier for us around our house. And thanks for watching my video, and I hope something good happens to you today. Have a great day.